Hello kids, how are you all? So today we will draw a drone. So let's get started. First we draw a circle, then a big circle. Let me know in the comments if any of you can draw good circles. Look how I drew the circle. In the next part, you take a ruler. Now, using a ruler, draw 4 dots on the 4 corners. Now, follow me and draw as I draw. This is how our drone's 4 legs are made. Now I will draw 3 wings on each leg of the drone. Look at how I draw. You draw the same way. Now tell me, who saw the drone or who has a drone? Now we will know 3 benefits of drones. First, taking photos and videos. Second, delivering things. And third, helping in farming. There are many other uses for drones. Let me know what you know in the comment section. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.